Hello students, this is Miss Mills, here to read the words for Syllables and Affixes Sort 43 Word Study Assessment. We have 25 words here, and they fit into the categories you see on the screen with silent letters, silent consonants. And so first things first, set up your headings on your page, either on your spreadsheet, as you see here, or on a piece of paper. There are more than the usual amount of categories for this sort. Remember, it's your choice. You can combine silent G and silent GH if you wish, or list them separately. There is no sample word for silent GH because it's actually included in the number of the 25 words. So there is no given kind of bonus word there. So again, if you would prefer to put them all under silent G / silent GH, that is completely up to you. We have silent T words, as in castle, silent W words, as in wrinkle, silent K, as in knuckle, silent H, as in honest, silent G, as in design, and then the silent GH. So go ahead, set up your page, and when you are ready, just continue playing this video and get ready to write your words. Word number 1, gnarl. I admired the way I could see the gnarl in the wood tabletop. Gnarl. 2, knockout. I thought that last hit was going to be a sure knockout. Knockout. 3, though. I like the color purple, though dark purple is my preference. Though. Number 4, honor. It is my honor to be with you today. Honor. 5, knowledge. At school, I hope you gain knowledge and skills. Knowledge. 6, sword. The knight lifted his heavy sword. Sword. 7, glisten. I love to see the sun glisten on the water. Glisten. 8, campaign. I got involved with the campaign because I believed in the cause. Campaign. 9, bought. I bought 2 for the price of 1. Bought. 10, through. This is difficult, but we will get through this together. Through. 11, listen. As hard as you listen, you'll never be able to hear those silent consonants. Listen. Number 12, thought. I thought this set of words was quite challenging. Thought. 13, wreckage. When we were scuba diving, we saw wreckage from an old shipwreck. Wreckage. 14, assignment. The assignment was late, but it was so well done that I think you'll still get a passing grade. Assignment. 15. Fasten. You might want to fasten your coat by buttoning all the buttons because it's quite windy outside. Fasten. 16. Rhythm. Everyone at the concert swayed to the rhythm of the music. Rhythm. 17. Brought. For dinner, I brought my special homemade bread to share with you all. Brought. 18. Wrestle. Little kids love to wrestle, but not too rough. Wrestle. 19. Khaki. Do you think this shirt matches my khaki pants? Khaki. 20. Resign. I've fulfilled my purpose at this job, so now it's time for me to resign. Resign. 21. Soften. I use lotion daily to soften the skin on my hands. Soften. 22. Knee pad. After I slipped on the ice, I was glad I was wearing a knee pad. Knee pad. 23. Rhyme. Not all poems have to rhyme, you know. Rhyme. 24. Doorknob. I couldn't turn the doorknob, so I was afraid I would be stuck outside. Doorknob. 25. Answer. Do you like to answer the phone? Answer. And that was all 25 words. So please count to make sure you have all 25 written on your paper or on the spreadsheet. Double check your spelling and your sort, and then you can turn in your assessment. Hope you have a great rest of your day.